Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
Auertech Mini Washing Machine. Portable compact laundry machine washer with spin dryer, time controlled, for dorms, apartments, RVs. You compact and portable washing machine. This is a must-have mini washing machine for your home. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in bathrooms or closets. Perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, etc. Get one to free your hands now. Powerful performance equipped with a powerful motor. Clothes can be washed quickly and efficiently. The transparent body and window allow you to see the whole process of washing. Auertech Mini Washer can achieve low consumption and save water while saving the hassle of hand washing. Separate time control buyers can adjust the knobs on the panel to set washing times according to different needs. With the simple control panel, our compact washer is easy to operate, and you can get clean clothes in just 3 steps. Note, the motor has overheat protection and will automatically stop working when it reaches 275, which increases safety and extends the service life of the motor. User-friendly design thanks to the high-quality PP body. This portable washing machine is lightweight, does not deform and rust easily, and has a long service life. The washer produces a powerful water flow that effectively cleans clothes and reduces wear. It is equipped with a drain hose to easily drain out dirty water. Time and space saver. The washing cycle is up to 15 minutes each load, saving your valuable time. No installation is required. The size of 13.5 x 13.5 x 19 inches is suitable for limited space. Note, feel free to contact us if you have any problems. We will respond within 24 hours and resolve the problems as the way you want.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.